Hey there, if you're watching this video, it's most likely because you're interested in social media marketing, digital marketing, or just trying to find a way to make some extra money online, or perhaps you're looking to build your own digital or social media marketing agency, okay? And if you haven't seen any of my past videos, then my name's Rhys, I live in London, and I'm in the stage of developing and creating and growing my own digital and social media marketing agency. And I'm pretty much just documenting as I go, okay? Now for myself, digital and social media marketing, I knew basically nothing about 12 to 18 months ago. And since figuring a lot of this stuff out and actually seeing some results for myself, I've decided to share it, and hopefully all of these videos give you some type of value that you can use pretty much today, and try and implement this for yourself, okay? I also run a course for students that are really serious about growing an agency, continuing to learn, continuing to develop their skills, and that's completely separate, okay? I also show you how to make money online, a few ways that people are actually out there doing it, and hopefully you can benefit from some of this, okay? Now in today's video, I'm gonna show you really simply how you can go about getting your very first client, okay? And this really is as simple as it can get, okay? Now I know when you're starting out, you've maybe watched a load of videos, maybe you've tried some stuff in the past, and haven't really seen too much success with it, okay? And I was there myself not too long ago, okay? When you're starting out, you have, a lot of doubts, a lot of worries, and really just the confidence to go out there and introduce yourself to businesses or business owners, okay? And overcoming that is a really big step, okay? But I want to show you just practically how you can actually go out there and get in touch with a business or a business owner to really begin getting your journey started, okay? Now, for myself, I've actually began to specialize and focus more on e-commerce and Amazon brands. But when I first got started to get local clients, really what I'm about to show you is the way that I did it. I think it's the easiest and most simple way to go about it, and it's going to give you a good overview on how you're able to reach out to them, okay, and check if they do need your service. All right, so what I'm going to do is simply type in dentist in London, okay, and you can see the search results that come up, okay. Now firstly, what I'm going to be looking for is whether or not these dentists are actually interested in doing any type of paid advertising, okay? So as you can see here from the side, we have dental art implant clinic, okay? And as you can see here on the bottom left, there's a little ad button, okay? So I know this dentist is running ads, so in order for them to get on the top of Google, okay, or come relatively close. Now, that would look like a good client to me, okay, because I know that they're spending money on digital marketing. So what I would then do next is simply go to their website while we wait for that to load. Okay, so as we come onto their website, I can see that it actually looks pretty good, to be honest with you. Okay, so this could be a potential client. Let me get that out the way. Okay, so they're also doing some type of email marketing. As we can see, subscribe and you get free access. So come back up here. I'm also able to check if they're running Facebook ads, okay? So I can see that they have a Facebook pixel installed on their site. So what I will do next, quite simply, is let's see if they have a Facebook around. I can't see one. Let's have a quick look. Dental art, okay. Okay, dental art, here we go. Okay, so we can see that they have two dentist offices. Okay, so now if we look on their Facebook, okay, they already have some reviews. When was this? 21st of February. Okay, so we can see they're trying to do Instagram or social media. Okay, Valentine's Day. And we can also check if they're running any info or ads. And here we go, they are, okay. So this would be a great client to reach out to when you're first getting started. And simply just drop them a message, okay, on the Facebook page or send them an email. And one of the most important things to do is to make sure that you keep a log of the people you're reaching out to. And this is going to enable you to kind of follow up with them, keep up with them, keep on top of, you know, the stage that you are at with them, okay? So if they send you a reply after your message, note that down. And this is just going to start to enable you to build up a portfolio or a client base, okay? Which is going to be really, really important. Now, one of the things I also want to say is don't be disheartened or disappointed if they do not respond to you right away, okay? It's most likely going to happen. Make sure that you come across in not a pushy salesy kind of way at all, okay? Offer them some free value, okay? Maybe tell them a couple of things that you found out and a few ways that you can help them and benefit them, okay? But for this video, that is really, really as simple and straightforward as it can get. If you have any questions or you have a different outreach method that has worked for you, please be sure to let me know in the comments below. But yeah, on the whole, this is exactly what I did when I was first getting started. It's something that I still definitely do. I think Facebook Messenger, just, you know, you can go direct to the source. An email, they may not come across, it might not reach the right person. But this is definitely one really easy and simple, practical way that you can get started, okay? Now, if you want to learn more about the sales process, my own proposals and templates and how I reach out to businesses and I'm able to get them on board, then once again, there are links down below. If you're serious about growing an agency, learning some skills, digital marketing, online marketing skills, or alternative ways to make money online, then be sure to join the course. That gives you 24/7 access to myself, and I really want to get you started, okay? I want to help you get your first client, and hopefully these little tips that you're picking up are gonna enable you to do that relatively quickly, okay? So yeah, this is all for this video, and until next time, peace out, guys.
Yeah. Hey.